Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Thursday, May 13th, 2021. It is Think About It Thursday. Every task, goal, race, and year comes to an end. Therefore, make it a habit to always finish strong. We are reaching the end of our school year and we are finishing strong. Please stand and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today for breakfast, maybe breakfast pizza, lunch, fish sandwich, or nugget. Tomorrow for breakfast, maybe a Pop-Tart, and for lunch, chicken bites. Today's birthday is Ashton Martin from first grade. Happy birthday. A couple of announcements. PST, all documentation should be uploaded and complete prior to the 5/19 PST meeting. This includes insights to behavior documentation. We'll have a device drop-off on Monday, 5/24 from 1 to 2 and 3:30 to 4:30. And again on Wednesday, 5/26 from 8 to 11. By those two times, all of our remote students should have all of their grades in, and they should have all of their devices turned in no later than Wednesday, 5/26. Today is Miss Shaver's late duty, and tomorrow will be Miss White. Important dates. Monday, May 17th, all library books are due. May 24th, our remote student device drop-off, 1 to 2 and 3:30 to 4:30. May 25th are our 5th grade transition programs at 9 and 10 a.m. May 25th is the end of the year celebrations. May 26th is the last day for students. It's only a half day. May 26th also will have the remote student drop-off from 8 to 11, and May 28th is the last day for teachers. That's all for today's news. Have a thankful Thursday, Kate Shepherd.